Hello guys, I wanted to show you how to download this browser which is used into the Linux. Just go to your favorite browser, write download Vivaldi web browser and hit here, and you can go and just click download. It will take few minutes to download. Let the download Debian package. Once you download, click the downloaded folder. Here you can see, just right click, open with the GDEBI package installer. Remember this, we are installing this browser into the Linux Mint. Just hit install package, put the sudo password, hit enter. It will take a few minutes to install. Yeah, installed. Close, close, close. Go to the menu, go to the, or you can search. Here is the browser, very good for the Linux. Choose anything color you want. Thank you so much. Please support my channel.